Hey, Science Geeks, we made it through week one. Woo woo! We did great. You guys were positive, hardworking, and really willing to go with the flow in a crazy week. And I am proud of you all and what you accomplished at home and at school. As long as we keep adapting and staying flexible, we'll be able to make this work. One little detail I want to help you guys remember is that all that has to be completed or should be completed to the best of your abilities is week one at the Canvas scavenger hunt. Also, something to keep in mind, we have noticed a bit of a hiccup in Canvas. It's not liking when we submit website URLs for Google Docs. It's acting a little wonky, and I'm trying to get that figured out. So if you can, please use the Google Drive option. That's a tab, and that should allow no problems with submission. Remember, I don't stress about little details, so if you're having little issues with minor details, like there's a question you don't understand, send me an email or skip it and turn it in and talk to me later. Put it in the comments. Remember that downloading apps like Canvas and Flipgrid and Remind are optional, but Canvas on your personal phone or tablet, if you have it, will make a huge difference in you being able to upload and send me things as needed. But overall, just be really creative and adaptable and problem solving how we take care of each other and get this information back and forth. I am here for you for whatever you need. Do your best. Have a healthy, wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you soon.